The first criminal bears Roman condemnation on the cross and then God's condemnation forever. And he deserved both. The second criminal bears Roman condemnation on the cross, but no condemnation from God forever. He deserved the first. The second was a gift. 'n genadegawe uit God uit. If he acted like the first criminal, he would be like a multitude of people that are alive on this planet today, and they would miss heaven with 18 inches. Want ons het al gehoor van God en ons verstaan dit, maar dit het nog nooit in my hart afgesak nie. Jy kan al die jare in 'n kerk wees en partykeer tot selfs gaan, af en toe die Bybel lees en God heeltemal mis, hom nooit ontmoet nie. Because I want to live my life, and when I need him, I call on my heavenly waiter to come and sort out my life. Jesus said, if you hold on to me, if we acknowledge our lives, there's a promise that this is not the end. We will be with him. Augustine said the following. He said, there's one case of deathbed repentance recorded, that of the penitent thief. That none should despair, and only one that none should presume. Lees daardie versigtig.